Well, this is embarrassing.
After all that work last week, replace the struts, which needed to be replacing, we actually found out that we didn't quite fix the problem.
So this week on JMR Rebuilders, we guarantee we will actually fix the issue. Probably. Maybe. We might.
Kind of.
Yeah. Surely. Surely we can.
All right, so we had a lot of comments on the old interweb mentioning about, your ball joints, tie rod ends, upper control arm. So this is our upper control arm, ball joint right here. We know that's not an issue. Boots, everything's fine.
We hit that with a really big hammer. We know it's totally fine.
Yeah, Jammer Hammer came in there on that one for us. There's our tie rod end down here. Again, we know this is fine. And so we've pretty much assessed that everything in here is fine. So we know the problem has to be somewhere else.
So that's where we're looking to the wheel. We think we see some damage on it. We'll actually put a picture of that where it looks like the rim is kind of pushed into the side of the tire, to the sidewall. And so we're gonna run down to our tire shop. We're gonna have them spin it up again and see if we can, maybe affirm that that's actually what the problem is.
All right, jammers, by this point, we didn't fix the problem. We do have a solution. We're heading down to pick up some rims from a guy that I found off of OfferUp. Got a great price on some 20-inch rims. They're chrome, like my sparkles. What's up, Jammer Nation? We're out here, LaGrange, Georgia, Thorpe County Sheriff's Office, jail. As you can see by the concertina tuner wire behind us.
It's kind of a strange twist of events that we are here. How'd we get here, Ryan?
Well, so the guy I met off OfferUp said, hey, can we meet at the county sheriff jail because I've had some situations. So I was like, roger that. I understand it. A little squeamish. So I get here and I'm like, look, dude, you got to drop it on me. What happened? And to top it off, one guy's name is Tanner. The other guy's name is Tobias. How many Tobiases are out there? Hit us up. Comment, like, share.
I finally figured it out. Tobias Fugate from Arrested Development.
Arrested Development.
That's what I was trying to say the
There
whole entire time, and I couldn't even.
It's okay.
Anyway.
We didn't get it on video.
But we digress.
Yes. So this guy's, I'm like, so tell me, Tanner, what happened? He's like, well, I went to sell a motorcycle, a motocross bike, and the guy, changed the address on us, asked us to meet him at somewhere, and we show up there, and the Joker jumps on the bike and takes off on it. He literally stole the bike from these cats.
That's crazy.
So they later on, about 6 months later, they're on the interweb, checking, finding, looking, and they came across the same item for sale. So they arranged a meeting with this guy, and instead of them showing up, they had the police get them. So they hooked them up. So looking out there at you guys, think you can get away with something.
It's crazy.
It ain't gonna happen.
So they were a little gun shy.
Yeah.
So they thought the best place that we could meet to get these rims would be outside the prison.
Yes.
It's probably a good choice. These are some smart guys. So
Smart kids.
yeah, I think they turned out great. I'm excited to get back home and change them out.
Wheels look amazing. They're gonna look great on the X-Bed, and it was a great experience. Tanner and Tobias, you guys are some cool cats. Looking forward to seeing you out there on TNT Rebuilds or whatever y'all guys do. But yeah, cool
Sweet.
beans.
Awesome, thanks. Well, let's head home.
Yep, let's get it.
that amazing or what?
All right, you caught me. It's actually.
Is that
It's
Mike?
actually mine. It's actually mine. You can see the Punisher sticker up at the front. Which, makes it the real deal.
Not a fake Hummer,
No.
but a real one with the sticker. That's a pretty awesome Hummer, really. That's not the H2.
Awesome.
That's like the H1 Hummer. That's like the first one, the military switchover / station wagon Hummer. You see how it's extended?
I'm kinda scared.
Oh, here comes Ryan. Let's quick, shut it off. Shut
That
up.
was the owner.
On the other side of town. Other guys couldn't quite get us in. They had a busy day, but these guys got us in right away, and they are super helpful. They already have the tires off the rims, which is great, and they're working on sensors and putting them back together, and we should have this whole thing done because Ryan needs his vehicle back tonight. It's got to happen.
It's got to happen. And this is all being made possible by emperor.allen on his Instagram. We're looking at you. Appreciate you hooking us up. That's emperor.allen on Insta. Gotta give you a shout out, man. Couldn't have done this without you, brother. What we've done today is we've gone out and got the tires. We had the old rims tested. That rim was bad. You see the images, you'll see them in the video. We put the new rims on. We balanced them, and now we're gonna go for a test ride to see if we fix the front end shimmy. Hopefully we did, but we don't know. So what we're gonna do is we're out on a back road, we're gonna get it up to speed where we felt that vibration, and then we're gonna check the wheel, see if we lost that shimmy. So, all right, we're coming out of the curve, doing into the wheel because we're picking up speed. All right, we're at the speed at which we normally have issues. Steering wheel is straight as an arrow. There's no vibration. You can hear the engine still picking up speed. There's absolutely no vibration. Front end shimmy is fixed.
Nice job. Way to go. Team Jammer.
Get you some jammer time, baby. So we got it fixed, guys. Really cool, really excited. Not gonna lie, I was probably gonna cry.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Well, this video's a wrap. We'd like to say thank you, Jammer Nation, for all your support.
It's been an incredible week. Man, we've had so many views. I think we've had something like 350,000 views of our first video. Make that 350 views of our first video. But I tell you what, it's been pretty awesome. We've had lots of comments and lots of likes. We appreciate it.
If you guys want to help us out at all, go ahead and tune into our YouTube channel, Jammer Rebuilders. Hit that subscription button and feel free to click the bell so you receive a notification anytime we post a new video. Follow us on Instagram. That will be Jammer Rebuilders. And share with your friends.
And we'll see you next time, Jammer Nation.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
Yeah, that's why we're
Huh?
gonna do it.
What happens? What is it?
It's so loud.
I'm like cutting it back.